everyone back in Shopville. It's me, Donatina. I was so inspired by all the fun we had at the World Fair, I decided to take a trip. So I went to the airport and got on the first plane I saw. Not really sure where we're going. Hope it's someplace fun, like Brazil. Probably should have asked where we're going. Anyway, I miss you already. Wish you were here. Apple Blossom, what are you doing here?
Going on a vacation sounded so fun, so I sorta stowed away inside your bag. Hope that's okay.
Well, sure it is. It'll be nice to have a friend along for the trip. Kooky, you were in my bag too?
Yeah. Oh, window seat.
Cheeky?
Yep, it's me, and I can't hold it anymore. Which way is first class? Yes. See you when we land. Oh. Have they come by with the snacks yet?
I don't think so. Gonna go see the pilot. See if he wants any pointers.
Who's up for a movie? How do I? Where's the volume on this thing? The one in the bag is occupied. They said I have to have a first-class ticket to sit in first class. Can you believe that?
Well, that kind of makes sense.
Never in my life have I been so insulted. The one up front is out of order. Heading to the back again. Excuse me. You want me to talk to them? That would be lovely. Nope. That just made it louder.
This is your captain speaking. There's a bunch of bananas here that's making it really hard to concentrate. What's this one do?
They said you can upgrade to first class if you give them money. Donatina has money in her carry-on. Let's use that. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Are these Shopkins with you?
Yes.
If you can't get them under control, we're going to have to land and drop you off at the nearest airport!
Don't worry, I promise. They'll behave. Right, guys?
Oh,
yes,
of course. Promise. That was not
We did not
behave. It's like we didn't even try.
Well, I guess this is where we're gonna have our vacation. And we're in Brazil! Oh, this is gonna be the best trip ever!
Hey, where's Cheeky? Yeah, well, joke's on you. I didn't even wash my hands. Oh, hey, guys.
Shopkins, Shopkins!
We interrupt this Shopkins episode with a special report. Shopville is in chaos after a major traffic accident. We go to Cheeky Chocolate with more. Chaos indeed, Apple Blossom. Some presumed maniac spilt over a defenseless shopping basket. It is still unknown who or what caused this tragedy, but we'll be keeping our eyes open for this shop villain. And now, live from the freezer, it's Kooky Cookie with the weather. Cold. Thank you, Kooky, for that descriptive report. We now go live to Strawberry Kiss, who is about to report something amazing. What? Me? Amazing?
Yep.
But I didn't prepare anything.
Our audience is waiting.
Amazing! Strawberry Kiss can cry strawberry jam tears. Who knew? And now a word from our sponsors.
New Cheesy Cheese, now available in pink. Not actually available in pink.
Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins!
Hello, and welcome to the annual annual Miss Shopville Beauty Pageant Final. The winner will be presented by our mystery guest. Let's meet the contestants. First up, Strawberry Kiss. This sweet treat miss hails from the fruit aisle and is a favorite for this year's Miss Shopville. Up next is Kooky Cookie. This surprise entry takes the place of spilt milk after a tragic fruit-picking accident. Let's wish her a speedy recovery. Now to our first event, the fashion show. Strawberry Kiss is looking fabulously fruity in her large Louis Descon hat. How will Kooky follow this up? What showmanship! This could win her big points. On to the question round. If you had one wish in the world, what would it be? I wish I could meet Katy Perry. She's amazing. Who wouldn't? Now, Kooky, what would you wish for? Peas. Wild peace, how selfless! And with that, I think we have our winner. The tiara will be presented by last year's Miss Shopville. Cupcake Queen!
Congratulations, Kooky, on winning this year's pageant.
Oh, peas! Thank you, Kooky. Here, you deserve this.
Check you later.
You two look all happy. What's with all the happy?
Well, after all the fun we had last month learning about Europe, we decided to learn about some other places around the world.
Apple Blossom is organizing a big Shopville World's Fair. Everybody picks a different country, learns about it, and on World's Fair Day teaches everyone what they've learned.
I picked lizard. I picked Brazil. Oh, sounds like fun.
I'm sorry, Buncho, but Rock and Roll-a-Fornia isn't a real country.
I'm doing it anyway.
Hey, Apple, which country should I do?
Let's see what's still available. Ooh, how about China?
Okay. Wait, I don't know anything about China.
Oh, China is a wonderful, super fascinating place. You'll have a blast learning all about it.
Sounds pretty good. But what if somebody else got the country that's best for me? Cheeky, trade countries with me.
I don't know.
Come on, I'll do anything.
Anything? Okay, we can switch countries.
Great. Wait a minute. Hey, China is a wonderful, super fascinating place. Why didn't you tell me that?
I did.
I want to trade back. I'll do anything.
Anything?
You gonna tell her you haven't even picked a country yet? Nope.
Shopkins, Shopkins, Shopkins.
Steady. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Uh-oh.
Alicia, what are you doing?
Duh! A traditional Chinese dance. What do you think?
Getting ready for World's Fair Day, huh?
I saw all these awesome dances online, and I thought it'd be neat to teach people about China with a dance. But first, I have to teach myself.
Well, don't give up. I bet with a little more practice, you'll get it.
Yeah, you're right. Hit it, Kooky!
Okay, let's go practice over there. Dancing is about feeling the music. Try not to overthink it. Okay, forget what I said. Overthink it, like really think about it. Okay, split the difference. Try thinking about it, then not thinking about it, then think a little, then don't think again. Make sense?
Totally.
Yang, do I hear the sound of beauty breaking?
I'm never gonna do this dance right.
That is because you do not have the dance within you, bubblegum lady. But now is the time to try something new.
Huh?
That is your fortune. I have a knack for them. I will teach you your new skill.
You're so wise.
Yes, yes.
Chinese shadow puppets! A perfect and culturally relevant solution to her problem.
She has found her calling.
I'm really getting the hang of this. Take a bow, Shadow Puppet Me.
Shopkins, Shopkins. Shopkins!
Dov'è il negozio?
Non è possible! Can it be? Is that the sweet dulcet sound of the motherland's tongue I hear? Peppermint! You're learning to speak Italiano?
Trying to. I picked Italy as my country to learn about for the World's Fair. Just thought it'd be neat to learn a few phrases.
Bene, bene! Show me what you've got!
Buongiorno. Come stai?
No, no, no! You cannot learn to speak Italian from a book! The Italian language is already in your soul. You just have to let it out.
That doesn't really make sense.
Repita after me. È il momento di fare una danza.
È il momento di fare...
Non mi chieda, io sono solo in disinfettate per le mani.
Non mi chieda.
Andiamo a mangiare dei cannoli alla spiaggia.
Andiamo a mangiare dei cannoli alla spiaggia. What am I saying?
You said, let's eat cannoli on the beach.
Kooky? Since when do you speak Italian?
It was already in my soul. I just let it out.
Peppermint, you require no more lessons. You are ready.
Ready for what? Who are you calling?
A random Shopkin in Italy. Ha, now speak. Speak, Peppermint. Speak from your soul.
Mi piacerebbe comprare un carrello di gelato. How'd I do?
Okay.
What did I say?
You ordered a gelato cart. I'll take a scoop of strawberry.
No, not for me. Thank you.
Shopkins, Shopkins. Shopkins!
No? Seriously? Okay.
Oh, you bought a gelato cart?
By accident, and they won't take it back.
Accident on purpose? Makes no difference to me. Hit me with a raspberry. Oh, yes! That's so good!
So good. I like so good. I'll take a lemon, please. That's the stuff. Hey, everyone, you simply must try this gelato.
Delicious. Oh, that's too many people looking at me. Get them to leave.
They'll never leave as long as you're making gelato like this.
Make something gross.
Huh? Okay. 1 fish and broccoli gelato.
That's good!
Crusty day old baby food and sauerkraut.
You gotta try this!
Wet noodle and olives, lemon lime dog food, sweat sock jambalaya. I have no idea what this one is, but it sure is gross.
It's no use, Peppermint. You are completely incapable of making a bad gelato.
You have a gift, and you must share it with the world.
But I can't face all those Shopkins.
I have an idea that will keep you out of the spotlight. But you need to make a little more gelato first.
One at a time, one at a time. There's plenty of gelato for everybody.
I got another request for that lemon lime dog food.
Here you go.
Keep them coming, Peppermint. And when you get a chance, can I get one for myself?
What are you in the mood for?
Surprise me. Something with old cheese.
Shopkins, Shopkins. Shopkins!
This World's Fair turned out to be the best idea ever. It's like traveling around the whole world in a single afternoon.
And I don't even have jet lag.
Wait. Yes, I do. Help me, Jessie Cake. Ooh, that booth looks popular.
Man, look at this crowd, Kooky.
I'm totally gonna win this World's Fair.
You know this isn't a contest, right?
Right, I know. But still, I'm totally winning.
Peppermint has some new gelato flavors at her Italy booth.
Get your gelato here. We got quadruple berry explosion. We got chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. We got the mystery flavor of mystery.
Hey, get back here! Kooky?
No.
Gonna have to take my shadow game to the next level.
Wow, look at that!
New flavor over here.
Did somebody say shadow dragons?
We have sprinkles.
My shadow puppet has her own shadow puppet!
This isn't what World's Fair Day is supposed to be about. What are you doing?
It's called fusion. Put your booths together and share the crowd. Gelato! Get your ice-cold gelato here! Hey, everyone! Apple and Bancho just pushed their booths together, too.
Mexico-Australian fusion? Oh, this I've got to see.
Mexico-Australian fusion!